Hey, yesterday I wanted to see what you liked. If you watched it, sorry if it was cringy or anything. I'm trying my best and everything. If this would work, that would be great right now. Give it a second. It should be loading. Never mind. Hey. Sorry. You suck at this. I'm sorry, I tried to attempt, but, please subscribe, like, comment if you liked any of the things, anything. Last video, I asked you, can you please comment on that if you liked any of those? But bye. I'm sorry these are so short too.